Why do I act this way? Cause I have decisions to make and actions to take, opinions to share that aren't popular but a necessity so we can clash and debate. Normally we just dash it away, never discuss it, just hush it, but discussions of certain subjects are needed to enact any change. I've been called names cause I acted strange, but I made it into strength and turned passion to flame. Now only ashes remain, cause I'm tired of the hate I attain from people who judge me real ugly and think that I don't really have any brains. Yeah, I have to be saved according to you. I should just change all of my views, change my identity so I look normal to you. The moral is skewed, what kind of thorn tore into you and is currently tormenting you to make you so hateful? But thanks though, because
I need you more than
people won't like you and maybe they'll shoot. People are dumb because monkeys see monkey do, but I just gotta be brave in the booth, behave in the zoo, yeah, be tame in the group, to stay in the loop. I have to be nice and just do what they do, or else you'll get thrown under the bus. Cold mentality telling me not to be effing with us, effortlessly messing it up. I place it in rut whenever I happen to mention a butt. Ooh, chased by a henchman of love. I have to question to learn any lessons. The more you ignore, I just press it. Classes and sessions, so pass on the message that I
need you more than ever. I love the way you see the world. You don't need the experts showing you the way to live. We do it at your own speed. Someone open fire. You're trying hard to change your ways. I love the way you see the world. You've always been the outsider, on the outside looking in. Someone will betray you. Remember what you're fighting for. Now lower your smile and go to war. No one's gonna change your ways. I love the way you see the world.
I was raised in a place where hate resided, never being able to take off like a pilot. And just as in an airplane I was looked down on, but I rose up and I got the crown on. Now I sit on top of this hill. Hope I'm lonesome, is this how popular feels? I just wanna drop this and chill, get a real job. My opinions don't really matter, feelings matter cause the chatter keeps getting better. A mad hatter and I travel cause I never thought I'd nettle buddy, but I understand fully when you haven't got the brain power to think about it. When you spew shit, being verbally abusive. But hey, if you're stupid and the shoe fits, if that's the best you can be, then do it. Yeah.
I love the way you see the world.
I really do, but if you're easily triggered, you should look outwards and see that there are problems much bigger than one opinionated idiot making music for the internet. It's easy to turn it off if you ain't into it. Instead you attack me. It feels like having someone to hate makes you all happy. I may say that I don't care, but I do, cause it's weird getting portrayed as something I ain't. So fuck it, I'll open the gates and embrace the role that you gave. Yeah.